Hello everyone, I'm working on a paper beads, and to make it we need a bunch of paper. Now I will use a manual vegetable grinder. You can use a blender. Tear a paper for an easy grinding. You can use a scissor to tear it, or even a paper shredder if you have one. Remove the plastic, we don't need it, only the paper. If I use a scissor, it will be easier, but I forget to get mine. After tearing the paper, we will soak it in water. We will soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, grind the paper. I choose to use a manual grinder to save electricity. Okay, see? It works well. Get a bowl and a piece of cloth. We will drain the water out of the paper. Squeeze it. Squeeze it tight. And voila! We have. And then separate the tiny paper bits. Get a bowl with small amount of water and pour a small amount of PVA glue. Mix it well. Then mix the paper bits in a glue mixture. This is a half ball quilling tools. I will use it to mold my paper. it like you are making takoyaki. And with the use of barbecue skewer, poke the paper ball to make a hole. Now we have a paper beads. There you are. We have paper beads. Let these beads dry and paint it with the color you want. Thanks for watching.